Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make the video about the history of spaghetti. And here we will use this Pictory AI. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, here I will access this Pictory AI in my PC, and don't forget to do the login first with your email, and you can search for this Pictory AI. As you can see, this Pictory will give you the chance to create the AI generated video. And this is the homepage of this Pictory AI, and don't worry, for the new user they will give you 14 days of free trial guys. Isn't that very generous of this Pictory AI? Thank you. And after that, as you can see, there are several tools that you can use, like generate the text or prompt to become the video, even the URL, and you can also do the video editing. You can also transform an image into the video and also the PowerPoint file to become the video. And don't worry, because you can also do the recording here. And for example, I will start to click this text to video. And if you have already prepared the script, then you can simply put it here. But if you are not ready for it, then it is okay. You can click this start with an idea. And for example, I will type the history of spaghetti. And after that, you can click the platform, or it means which platform that you would like to present or upload this video ahead. And there are YouTube, Twitter, or X, Pinterest, Snapchat, even the LinkedIn video. And for example, I want that this video, will be a Facebook feed here. For example, I will choose this one. And for example, I will choose the duration to be 30 seconds to be 1 minute. It is enough, and I will continue to click generate script, and kindly wait for this Pictory AI to give you the automatically script. And as you can see, this is the script that will be shown into the video. And you can also do the setting like optimize it, rephrase, or even shorten this script, or also lengthen. But if you would like to lengthen it, then it will affect to the duration here. And you can also change the tone. And for example, it will be informative. And you can continue to click this, and kindly wait for the process guys. And if you have any requests or the suggestion about the another AI maybe that can do the same as good as this Pictory, please suggest us on the comment section. And this will be the script that has the informative tone. And if you agree with this result, then you can click this replace script, and it will be put into this section. And after that, you can also choose the ratio here. And after that, I will continue to generate the video. Kindly wait for the next process. It's like generating every single script to become a scene, and also it will show the picture that represent of every single script itself guys. So make sure that your connection is good, and also you can try to create your own thing or your project here. And the next process is almost ready. And after that, it will bring you into this section. For example, I will play for you the scene first, or the first scene, I'm sorry. It's like the preview to every single scene here. Yeah, you can hear that the the scene or the video also has been provided the music. And if you want this every single script will be narrated into or with the narrator, so you can click this audio, and for example you can choose the narrator here. For example, I will choose the dummy here. This is the preview.
Work while you have the light. You are responsible for the talent that has been in.
And if you agree with this voice of dummy, then you can click generate and apply, and kindly wait for the process. And after waiting for maybe 1 minute, so this script has already narrated by this dummy. Let's listen to it.
Are you aware that spaghetti has an intriguing history?
So this will be the example that this every single scene will be narrated by dummy, guys. And you can also put the element like text and also this element and style, and you can also edit this script by give it double click in this section. And after the everything is ready, then you can continue to download it with or without the watermark, and it will be saved into your gallery officially. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this Pictory AI. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.